This happens to your body when you do 30 squats every day. What if I told you that just a few minutes of one simple exercise each day could transform your body in ways you never imagined? No expensive gym memberships, no fancy equipment, just you, your body, and 30 squats every single day. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around, because what you're about to discover might just change your life forever. This isn't just about getting stronger legs. Squats have a powerful impact on your metabolism, hormones, and even brain function. Want to boost your energy levels, sculpt your body, and even improve your posture? You're in the right place. So, what really happens when you commit to 30 squats a day? Let's dive deep into the incredible changes you can expect. Some of them might shock you. The first week is the hardest. If you've never done squats consistently, your legs will scream at you. Your thighs, hamstrings, and glutes will burn like never before. This happens because your muscles are breaking down, rebuilding, and growing stronger. You may experience soreness, especially after the first 2 or 3 days. This soreness is known as DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness, and it's completely normal. It's actually a sign that your muscles are adapting to the new challenge. But here's where things get interesting. By the end of the first week, your body will start responding in an incredible way. Your legs, which once felt weak, will feel more stable. You'll begin to notice slight improvements in your endurance. Climbing stairs will feel easier, walking long distances won't tire you out as much, and even your posture will improve. What's happening inside your body? Every squat activates multiple muscle groups, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. This means your body is burning more calories, even when you're at rest. And that's just the beginning. Here's something most people don't know: squats are a fat-burning powerhouse. When you do squats, your body is forced to engage large muscle groups. And the bigger the muscle group, the more calories you burn. Studies have shown that compound exercises like squats can boost your metabolism for hours after you finish. This means that even while you're sitting on the couch or sleeping, your body is burning fat more efficiently. And if you add just a little more intensity, say, by increasing the depth of your squat or adding a jump, you can skyrocket your fat loss. The best part? You don't need to do endless hours of cardio. Just 30 squats a day can make a huge difference in how your body burns fat and builds lean muscle. If you've been struggling to lose weight, don't underestimate the power of this simple exercise. Combined with a healthy diet, it could be your secret weapon to shedding stubborn belly fat. Most people don't realize this, but squats can actually fix your posture. If you spend hours sitting at a desk, looking at your phone, or slouching, your posture is probably suffering. Over time, this can lead to back pain, stiffness, and even long-term spinal problems. Here's where squats work their magic. When you perform squats with the correct form, you naturally engage your core, straighten your spine, and strengthen your lower back muscles. This means that over time, your body starts correcting itself. You'll notice yourself standing taller, walking more confidently, and experiencing less lower back pain. Even your balance improves. Your body learns to stabilize itself, and that can help reduce the risk of injuries, especially as you get older. So if you want to fix your posture and prevent back pain without spending hours doing yoga or visiting chiropractors, 30 squats a day might be the easiest solution. If you've ever wanted stronger, more defined legs, squats are your best friend. And the best part? You don't need fancy machines or heavy weights. Your own body weight is enough to make a dramatic difference. After a few weeks of doing squats daily, you'll start noticing your legs getting firmer and more toned. Your thighs will become stronger, and your glutes, oh yes, your glutes will start lifting and shaping beautifully. Why does this happen? Because squats target all the right muscles. When you lower yourself into a squat, your quadriceps, the front of your thighs, and hamstrings, the back of your legs, are activated. Your glutes are also fired up, helping you build that firm, lifted look. The longer you stick with it, the more noticeable the transformation will be. By the 1-month mark, don't be surprised if your legs look leaner, stronger, and more athletic. And ladies, if you're worried about getting bulky, don't be. Squats tone and sculpt your legs, not bulk them up. So, if you want to look fit, strong, and confident, this exercise is a must. Did you know that squats don't just transform your body, they also boost your brain function? When you perform squats, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that help reduce stress and anxiety. These same hormones improve your mood, fight depression, and even enhance cognitive function. And that's not all. Squats increase blood flow to the brain, which helps improve focus, memory, and mental clarity. That's why many people who do squats regularly say they feel more energized, more productive, and even happier. Imagine starting your day with 30 squats. Instead of feeling sluggish and tired, you'll feel awake, alert, and ready to take on the day. And the best part? This natural energy boost lasts for hours, no coffee required. Many people avoid squats because they think they're bad for their knees. But here's the truth. Squats, when done correctly, actually strengthen your knees. As you lower your body, your knee joints become more stable, stronger, and more resistant to injuries. Over time, this reduces your risk of developing arthritis, osteoporosis, and joint pain. And it's not just your knees, squats also strengthen your hip and ankle joints, keeping them flexible and mobile as you age. So, if you want to stay strong and active for years to come, 30 squats a day is a simple but powerful investment in your future health. The final takeaway, why you need to start today. So, what happens when you commit to doing 30 squats every day? Your legs become stronger and more sculpted. Your metabolism increases, helping you burn fat. Your posture improves, reducing back pain. Your brain functions better, improving focus and mood. Your joints and bones become more resilient, preventing injuries. And your overall energy levels skyrocket. All of this, from one simple exercise. So, what are you waiting for? Challenge yourself. Start today. It takes less than 5 minutes, and the results will leave you amazed. And remember, consistency is key. Don't give up after a few days. Stick with it, and you'll see the transformation happen right before your eyes. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's help more people unlock the incredible power of squats. See you in the next video.